Let's start. Today we will see how to adjust flex item ratios using the FlexGrow attribute. In the body tag, we have a parent div tag with the class name, flex container. And inside this parent tag, we have 3 div tags. In the style tag, we have written the CSS of the div tags. This is the style of the parent div tag with the class name, flex container. And this is the style of the 3 div tags. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, all the div tags have the same size. Now let's change the size of only the third div tag. For that, we have used this FlexGrow attribute. For the first 2 tags, we have set the FlexGrow attribute to 1. And for the third div tag, we have set the value to 8. So first 2 tags each would occupy 10% of the total width of the flex container. And the third div tag would occupy 80% of the total width of the flex container. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the first 2 div tags occupy 10% of the flex container, and the third div tag occupies 80% of the flex container. So that's it. That's how you can adjust the flex item size ratios using the FlexGrow attribute. Thank you.